Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to zoom in your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the video button and select your video that you would like to edit. After that, click on the canvas button on the left side of the screen, click on zoom in the middle, and here you have 4 options. You can zoom to the left, fit, full, or to the right side, and you can set the amount or the percentage in this slide. So here you can see how it changes. You can also pinch to zoom in and out using the picture at the top of the screen. And when you are done, when you have positioned your video within the background, click on the check mark icon on the right side of the screen, and then it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.